Okay. Hello guys, Josh256 back, and here's my friend Jared, and we're gonna be doing some trampoline. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna continue on with the trampoline. Yeah. Hey Dad, on the video. Okay, get on to the trampoline. Mom's dad. No. You stop. I can see that on camera. He can even know. Huh? No, Harry has to go find out where he is. Steven said it is. Steven said. No?
Not good side flip yet.
Can you stop? What would it be?
You just gotta make sure
Go!
like really fast.
This is gonna be posted.
And make sure you've got some good air.
Come on, go find it. Yes, run.
Also, try tucking your legs like this.
I don't really do that for front flips. Josh, you gotta break your leg, I think.
You're pretty close to landing that.
Can I get up there?
Sure. Sure.
I can't hit the camera. You hit it? Well, I didn't really. Okay. Okay, go.
So do a standing back foot.
How do you do that?
Like this.
Okay, guys, let's see what he does. Whoa. Okay, I'm zooming in. Keep zooming in. Hey. Okay.
Watch this.
Okay, so I've took you guys off the tripod so we could get a round here view. There you go. Okay. Jared here is good at backflips.
Oh. Flips are tiring. Just if we can do 3 back flips.
Okay.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I did 5.
5. Try to get a little meter pop up. This is 5.
I'm not dizzy at all. Who wants to play Dead Man Candyman? Me!
Maybe because when you jump back, when you do backflips, you get dizzy, Carrie. What the heck? What the heck? Okay. See what he does. Oh man!
Let's see how I can hold the headstand.
Okay.
Let's see how long you can.
Oh, no.
Oh, too bad.
Hold on. Yeah, I'll do a longer one, okay?
Okay, guys, I'm going to time this.
1, 2, 3.
You didn't. Oh my goodness, these are for a day. Oh, that's me. Crap. Oh, this episode should be named. Oh no, I don't know. Trampoline tricks.
Here's what you did. Here's what you did.
But you gotta like, oh crap, you gotta get balanced and then walk. So watch, someone's gonna fall out of that net there. Oh!
Like that?
There you go, close.
Oh my God, even on floor fell out of there.
Are you okay? Alright?
Oh wow, we got an injured person here.
I do standing front flip. I did a standing back flip.
Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna do a standing front flip.
Okay,
This one's a lot harder to land.
Oh well, guys, if you guys want to go see the rest of this episode, like jumping on a trampoline, go check out Jared's video. He's doing that. So yeah, I'll tell you guys what his channel's name at the end of the episode. So yeah, I'll see you when we do something here. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go eat now. Just continue the episode. See you when I get done.
Yeah, you gonna do girl?
Okay guys, we're done eating and we're back at the trampoline here. I'm filming them. Well, I'm just relaxing. Slow.
Watch, I could do it on. I bet I could do it on the ground.
No.
What are you trying to do?
Oh.
Crisscross that sauce on the ground.
Up in the air.
Ready? Watch this, Gary.
No, not like that.
I did it.
No.
I got.
I gotta jump up and do it.
Oh.
Like that.
Wow.
I can do it, I think. No, not on the trampoline.
You probably don't want to try it on the ground.
Carrie didn't do that. I know that.
I can't.
That was good. Your foot felt better.
No, I'm Mom. Get your suckles! Who's the zipper, Carrie? Suckles! You suckles! Okay, so now we suckles. Brushy teeth.
I can't do that.
This is the most great.
My gosh, did you hear echo?
I can't do that.
Sometimes
My voice is too low.
Wait.
I'm gonna do some flips, okay?
Oh man.
Everybody, flip top! Oh,
Okay. careful.
Gosh, Gary, you're gonna get smashed.
You dummy! You're not actually
Can I help you do one? Come here.
And I zoomed in on Carrie's face. I was just going.
You again!
Give it a hug.
Ouch, ow.
There you go. Yeah, you see this? Maybe it's a way to kind of help yourself learn how is to kind of just kind of go like this, and then you just kind of gradually do that some more, but except you're going kind of more like you're going kind of more on your hands,
You do
like you just do it some more, but you want to go backwards and you just go like that.
But one time, try to do things. What?
So you just kind of do those kind of exercises, and then you should be able to just doing that. You'll be able to get used to going backwards. Because the thing that a lot of people fear with doing backflips, that they know they're going completely upside down. Like what? See how I'm completely upside down for a sec?
You're going.
Here, watch this. Ready for this?
Carrie.
Ow. Look at my nose.
Good. Man.
You should do some bottle flips after this.
Yeah. Man, I have this really good water bottle for doing bottle flips.
Stand right here in the middle.
But it's skill. Skater.
Ready?
Okay, you try.
Let's see if I can clear her, okay?
Oh, guys, I'll see you back when we do some bottle flips. Go, go. Fly. Where'd it go? Where'd it go at?
It's over here.
Well, okay, I'm running out of time in this episode.